been 2 weeks since I've been playing, training in the morning and then in the evening sometimes. So coming out here Friday night, got up Saturday morning, hit some balls, and then play my first match. Won the first match, pretty simple. Took on the semi-final easy, not pressuring myself, conserve my energy to put on a display this evening.
The breeze was a bigger factor, so I really wasn't serving as well as I was yesterday and earlier this morning. My serve was the biggest weapon in previous 2 games, and I wasn't able to utilize that as a weapon this afternoon. The breeze was crazy, the sun was in my eye, but not to take away from Michael. Michael played great. He was quite formidable. Tried to switch it up on him a couple of times, but he was easily adapting to whatever threw at him. So it was a great game. It's my first time playing Michael, and I hope it's not the last time because I really enjoyed the competition.
Oh, David, everybody's saying that this court is designed for your game.
That's what I've been hearing.
That's what you've been hearing.
Yes.
But you also delivered it too.
Yes.
You're serving bigger balls, shooting through your slice approach, you're pounding the net. You're doing the right things this time around, and it paid off for you.
Damien is a champion, and he came out and his mindset was right there to take the match, and I was not ready for it. So I guess I got a little nervous and I wasn't there yet, but it took some time for me to get my composure and start to fight and figure out how to use the court to my advantage, you know.
Right, and you started to come in a bit more.
Yes. It took some time for me to come in, but it's hard to come in on him. He has so many shots, so it's very difficult to find the net, but after a while I managed to find the net,
okay,
and that was key.
And played a really strong first set, second set, first couple of games, I kept it up. But then, I got distracted, keep getting distraction here and there, so, I never really had the time to get my mind back together.
It was a really good match. A lot of times, I don't know, I tried to find my game, and even though I won, I think I struggled. It was a really competitive match, and my opponent was a very worthy opponent. But at the end of the day, I saw it through, and I just wanted to win.
I mean, it has been a long and grueling, 2 days. I had 2 matches yesterday and 2 today. But this final was very competitive. I think I tried my best. I mean, I'm thankful to have made the final, but it was not the result I was expecting. Very competitive opponent, Megan. She held her own, and I think I lost my game at the end of it because I lost quite a few points in the sudden death, and I guess I started playing her game and I just couldn't get back it.
Yeah, man, it was a interesting experience. It's the first time I ever played a tournament that's done in a weekend. So we had to do back-to-back matches over 2 days. So it was a huge test in terms of the physical, and to make it worse, we had this heat wave. So it was very, very grueling. Very, very grueling. I tried to work through it because I had an issue before my finals where I was cramping.
Well, we're very happy with the venue. I mean, the people who complained about the surface were all people who lost. But I can tell you, everybody played on the same surface, so we all had the same challenges. I don't think any of the players, this wasn't the home court of any of the players, so everybody who came had to make the same adjustment. It suited some people's game better than others, but that's the way it is in tournaments. Not every surface is going to suit every player.
And how you felt about what you've managed to put together?
Well, I feel very satisfied with the production this weekend. We didn't have too much time to get everything together. I think we were able to get the right sponsors on board so that we had good offerings for the players. I think that was one of the things that attracted the quality players here. We had the best players from the different regions.
It has been a pleasure, and I am very happy that we have tennis back in Ocho Rios. It's been a long time. And in speaking with all the players, they love the turf and they think that this is the place they want to be. So we're hoping to partner with Bounty again and all the other sponsors next year.